thing covers combining or moving spreadsheets, rather moving data from one or more spreadsheets into another spreadsheet or multiple spreadsheets. So the easiest way to combine or move data from one spreadsheet to another is simply copy and paste. There's two ways of doing that. You can use your mouse or you can use what's called shortcut keys. So to use your mouse, you would highlight the data, then right click and select cut or copy. Then move to the location where you want to paste the data, right click, and then select paste. Using the shortcut keys, in my opinion, saves a little bit of time. It certainly will save you some clicks. So you can move your data two ways. You can leave your data in the original location when you copy it, or you can delete your data from the original location when you copy it. So to do this demonstration, we're going to use shortcut keys Control C for copy, Control X for cut, and Control V for paste. Control copy is when you want to leave a copy in its original location. Control X is when you want to remove the data from its original location. So you'll notice at the bottom of the screen here, we have several worksheets. There's Merge 1, Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. And so for this example, we're going to be merging data from Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and we're going to be placing it into Merge 1. In this first example, we're going to want to keep the data in its original location. So we're going to use Control C to copy that data, and then we're going to move it to Worksheet Merge. And we're going to do the same thing for Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. We're simply highlighting the data, selecting Control C, going to Merge 1, and selecting with the keyboard Control V. And whenever you want to get rid of those little dotted lines going around there, all you have to do is simply hit Escape. And then you have your Merge worksheet that has all of the data from the other three. And I think that's the simplest, easiest way to do that. So the other example that I want to show you, and this one we kept all of our data. In the other example, we're going to lose all of our data. So sheet A, sheet B, and sheet C, we're going to delete the information as we merge it into Merge 2. So to delete information, you're going to use Control X when you highlight and cut the data, and then Control V to paste the data. So in this example, we're going to go ahead and we're going to select our data. You can select the whole document if it's a large data set. If it's a small data set, you can just highlight the individual rows and cells. If it's a large data set, but you only want to highlight certain ones, then you can just highlight certain ones, certain rows and columns to add into the other worksheet. So it's not an all or nothing. You just highlight whatever you want to keep and leave the rest. So when moving data, be sure to place the cursor in the cell where you want to paste the data or where you want the data to begin. I always do a quick check with my cursor to make sure it's not in some random place before I paste, because I want my data to be together when I'm done pasting.